At the Foodies Festival, I came across freshly squeezed fruits. On a beautiful hot day, these two amazing guys drove my thirst away with some freshly squeezed orange juice and homemade lemonade. Not only I loved the drinks, but I loved their sense of humour too. A big thumbs up to these guys.
So yeah, you got the stew and it has no spice at all. That's not okay.
It was just good for a deli belly.
Watermelon juice? Yes. No, we don't do watermelon juice.
Because that it's already water. I call it a bite of water. It's 95% of water. If you squeeze it, I can see the point last. So I always say
he loves
yeah, so do I. I remember when I was his age, I used to love it as well. What a lie. Here we go, lads. Enjoy that. Anything else? 250 pennies. And you got a straw if you want.
Sure. Cheers, mate.
Ta, mate. Who's next? Salam alaikum. Who's Madrid? That's all I know. Shukriyat.
Shukriya.
I don't even know what that means.
It means thank you.
In Urdu, it's thank you, innit?
Yeah.
You speak Urdu?
Urdu, Punjabi,
Alright.
Yeah.
Only Arabic, me.
Arabic, Ya Habibi.
Ya Habibi.
Ya Habibi, yeah.
You know what? Wallah al-Azim, it's my, you know Wallah al-Azim?
Yeah.
It's my favorite word, Habibi. I'm only showing off, like. The shame is I know few words in several languages, but I cannot speak one fluently. What a bloody shame. Mashkilada. Ya Habibi.
Habibi.
What's your name, Habibi?
Zafran.
Zifran.
Yeah.
Zifran. And mine?
Like saffron.
All right.
Most expensive spice.
Like like za'afran.
Yeah.
Mine, if I tell you my name, you'll be very surprised. It's the most unusual name ever.
What is it? Aladdin.
Most people, when I tell them, say, "Where are you from? I never heard this name." You want to know it?
Yeah, go on.
£5.
Huh?
£5.
£5.
You know my name? Yeah. I'm scared. Oh, my name is Muhammad.
MashaAllah.
Oh. You see, I speak two lemonades, you said.
Two lemonades.
And I went for 2 oranges. I'm greedy.
That's what should be working in the restaurant.
That's my job, I talk.
Yeah. That's the spirit of the job, right? Have a conversation with
MashaAllah.
That's how you build your customer relations.
Exactly.
Here we go,
Exactly,
monsieur.
because for example, if you're going to go to the supermarket, you're
Yeah.
just going to get whatever you want, and then it's like, hello,
Yeah.
for example, £5, see you later. And here you can have a chat. It's like, you know, we never know who
Here we go, and 6. Enjoy, you got straws if you want some straws. See, I chopped them,
for the
I
future.
create some
It is.
colors.
So many different
Thank you, nice day.
Yeah.
For example, look, I'm Polish.
And I know anar. It's anar in Pakistan, isn't it?
You can see the quality, like even when you look at the miniatures. It's,
Yeah.
Exactly. What is big, it's more singing, it's more... It's the only thing I know is... Have a look.